Now we're going to look at how Diffit can take an existing article from the internet and adapt it to the reading level that you need. And here you can give it a URL or a PDF, and it's going to be able to adapt that reading to the reading level that you set right here. So I'm going to say I want this for a 4th grade class, and I'm going to say generate resources. Now it'll give us some memes and tips here to keep us entertained while it's very quickly generating those resources that you can use in your classroom. Again, it is taking the existing article or link that you've shared with it and adapting the text that's already there in order to re-level it to be appropriate for the students you are working with. When it does this, it's also going to create resources that pair with the reading. So here's our adapted reading passage. You'll notice one thing we have the option of here is to adjust the length, so we can make it shorter or longer if we need to. Down here, we have the summary of it, the key vocabulary words with definition and example, multiple choice questions, short answer questions, and open-ended prompts. And these are all editable. You can also make more of them if you need to. You can even show the answers on those multiple choice questions and short answer questions, so you have some sample answers to share with your students. Now, again, it has taken that existing reading and re-leveled it to make it appropriate for this particular grade level.